Hello, my friends. Greetings from me to you all, wherever you are. Now, still on the Photoshop tutorial we've been taking. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys a bit of how to use the transformation signs. The transformation signs. I'm going to be showing you. Okay, but first, let's just get our working paper. From File, then click New. From New, we get our international paper, always. Then set our centimeter or millimeter or inches or whatever we want to work on. Then we click OK. Now from there we get our first layer. Now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys from with marquee views, and then how to use the transformation signs and all that. Now first, let's just get our marquee view. We'll get our marquee view, rectangular marquee view. Now we use this rectangular marquee tool. We just get a rectangle, but I'm gonna still transform it into triangle. You're gonna see me do that now. Then we'll create a dotted rectangle. Now we'll go to our paint bucket. Remember, if we had used complete rectangle, the color will apply automatically, but now we are using marquee tool rectangle. Now we'll go to paint bucket. We click on paint bucket. We pick paint bucket, then we go to color. We go to color down here, then you double click. It gets you your colors so that you can pick whichever one you want to pick. Then let's just pick blue. Okay, let's just pick red. Let's pick red. Okay, whichever one you guys want. Okay, let's just pick blue. Blue, it's okay. Blue, it's kind of shiny. Now you pick blue. Your paint bucket sign is showing there. It's showing. Now you click on it. It's gonna apply color on this automatically. Now this is it. It still has the marquee tool sign. What we're gonna do next is we'll go to edit from our menu bar. We go to edit. You click on edit. Now from there you get to transform. From transform, you go to skew. You go to skew. Now skew, it helps you to move one side of your work, but when you go to perspective is gonna help you to move two sides of your work. Now let's just click on perspective. We click on perspective. Now look at what it's gonna do. Now you just place the sign at the edge of your work. Then you drag, you drag, you drag, you drag, you drag. Then we are creating something. Then we've created a triangle. Now you click on enter. The transformation sign will be gone, but the highlight sign, the marquee tool sign, will still be there. So what we're gonna do next, let's just now you click out. We want to duplicate this object, this triangle. Now you click out and then you drag. Now you drag this. We've dragged this out. It looks like kind of Christmas flower. But okay, let's just apply another color on this. Okay, let's just go back to our paint bucket. Then we pick our color again. Then let's just apply red on it. Okay, we still have our paint bucket. Then we click. It's gonna apply red on this. Now what you're gonna do next, we're just playing around this now, but I'm just showing you how to use this, and it seems like we're just playing around. Now you just go back again to your transformation. From edit, you go to edit, then you go to your transform again, and then you go down, you click on flip vertical. Now if we flip vertical, it's turning over. Now see what we've created. We've been playing with this, but see what where we've got into. So this is it. Now we still have other options from the transformation. Go back to your edit. From transform again, Now the first one on our list is scale. Scale, you kind of want to reduce the size of this. You click on scale. When you click on scale, if you want to reduce the size of the triangle, if you want to increase the size, so whatever you want to do with it, so that is the work of the scale from the transformation. Now you click enter, the transformation sign will go out. Now from the edit again, you go back to your transform. We have the second one, rotate. So you know what it means to rotate something, kind of to rotate it around. You click on rotate, the transformation sign will be there again. Now whichever way you want to rotate it, it's gonna come up. So whichever way you're gonna rotate it, it's gonna come up, it's gonna work with you. So this is the work of most of these transformation styles. Now you click on enter again, the transformation sign will be gone. Now the reason why we're applying all of these and it's working is because we still have the highlight sign on it. If it's gone, we cannot be able to apply most of these. Now because it's our marquee tool that we used, but if we use a complete triangle or complete rectangle, it's gonna work. Now you go back again to your transform. You see there's the third one, it's skew. Skew, it's kind of, it helps you to move one side of your work. Only one side will be moved. Only one side of your work will be moved. Unlike perspective. Perspective, we moved the two, but skew will be able to move one side of your work. So that is the work of these. So I'll be showing you guys on our next class. Okay, when you remove the perspective, let's just quickly go to this. Then from transform, you go to distort, perspective, and then wand. Let's just go to wand. Wand, it's kind of, it helps your work to, you kind of amend it, whatever you want to amend, whichever way you want to do it. So this is it, guys. I'll see you in my next class. I wish you guys a happy viewing. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell your friends about it and you're gonna feel good. Thank you, guys.